Many players encounter a common issue in Dark War survival: they don't have enough troops to fill all their formations. We've faced this problem as well, but don't worry. We're here to share tips and strategies to help you resolve it. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. Today's video will cover how to quickly train troops and fill your formations in no time. Training speed. The training speed bonus is a key factor in accelerating troop training. There are several ways to obtain this bonus. First, research can significantly enhance training speed. We can gain these boosts from the developed research. Maximizing all relevant research can achieve up to a 205% training speed bonus, which makes a considerable difference. Second, Quinn and Barnett's third skills can also improve training speed. We can benefit from this by leveling up their third skills. Lastly, the training ground is a building that provides a training speed boost. However, this boost is minimal. For example, a level 17 training ground only offers a 1.7% increase in training speed. Therefore, upgrading this building is not a priority. Training cap. The training cap increases the number of units we queue in the training camp. While it does not speed up the training process, it allows us to queue more troops and collect them over an extended period. We can obtain up to 60 training caps from the developed research and 40 from the training camp. Having 100 queues will make our life easier, as we won't need to collect and queue troops as frequently. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. As Bundle Up's sister company, GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Training strategy. First, determine how many troops are needed to fill all the trucks by summing the troop capacity of each formation. We require a total of 22,855 troops for all formations. Next, check the number of troops available at the military center or training camp. We have 22,306 troops, so we need another 550 to fill all formations. Unfortunately, troop training can be slow, particularly for new players, and filling all formations can take a significant amount of time. Here's a tip we use: instead of training the highest level troops, such as level 7 fighters, we recommend training level 1 troops in large quantities. With our current speed and cap bonuses, it takes about an hour to train 68 units of level 1 fighters. We can quickly accumulate a few thousand troops by using speed ups, allowing us to fill all formations within minutes. We must train fighters, shooters, and riders evenly to ensure sufficient troops for each hero. We can gradually upgrade the level 1 troops to higher levels. You might wonder if level 1 troops are too weak to be helpful. Yes, they are weaker, but our plan is not to deploy them in battle initially. Before focusing on training level 1 troops, we need to ensure we have enough high-level troops for our first and second formations. This will keep our battle formations strong. Once these are established, we can start training the remaining troops at level 1. These lower-level troops will be used for gathering and radar events, which do not require high strength. As we proceed, we can gradually upgrade them to higher levels. This strategy allows us to fill all formations while maintaining our combat capability. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.